I remember I would always have Iowa moments when I'd see somebody famous come by, and I would always have to kind of bite my lip and check myself and be able to read the room. Because if it's a tense situation, or if it's a live situation, or if maybe, I don't know, maybe something on set happened and we are going to be in a tighter time crunch, it's really key to understand and read the room and know your surroundings. And that's one of the really important things for me, because if we're working on a TV show or we're working on a photo shoot, it's really key to know when to speak and know when to listen. And I've always had better luck for myself when I'm just quiet and I listen to everything that is being said, so we're all on the same page. Because sometimes we just need to stop and listen. And you guys, we're hairdressers. We listen to people all the time. It's what we do. And we really need to process that and understand the importance to it.